Okay, so here we are back at Tim's workshop, and as you can see, he's got his paintwork back. And this paintwork was done by a place not far from here, about 30 miles away, called Motorcycle Paintwork FX, and I think they've done a great job. It's still going to be put together. I mean, this cap hasn't been bolted down yet, and as you can see, there's some work to be done on this side panel. And one small thing I like about the paintwork is that it's incorporated the hole here for the ignition key that's built into the side panel, and it's been built into the design of this symbol here, which is the hammer and tongue symbol, which is Tim's bike shop symbol, because this is an ancient symbol used by the British Army for the Royal Engineers, which he used to be in, that is to say the Remy. So that's pretty cool. Also the mesh here has been painted red to match, and yeah, it's all good to go. And talking of the bike, you can see the exhaust pipes are on now, most of the wiring's been done, and it's pretty damn close now to being fired up. But Tim does tell me that these pipes are kind of like the Mark I version, and the chances are that these are going to get changed quite a lot once he gets the bike on the dyno and starts playing around with jetting and so on, because I think these pipes might look cool, but they probably don't make a lot of power, but we'll see. So while there's still a few more things to do, I think he said there are some small details here that need to be painted black or finished black, such as this cover here, but it all needs to be done in the next 2 weeks because its debut is going to be at the Manchester show in 2 weeks' time. And now, as you can see, the front and rear fenders have been refitted to the bike, all gloss black, very nice, and I'm not sure why the tank's not been fitted yet, but we'll come back in a few days' time and I'm sure it'll all be back together again. However, there is a good reason why it's not finished yet. Tim's having the day off today because he's gone off to London to meet the Queen at Buckingham Palace. Yeah, really. I think it's linked to his previous life in the army. But anyway, so I guess we'll forgive him for that, and hopefully in a few days' time the bike will be fully completed, and then we'll come back and see what it sounds like on the dyno.